Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's training video is from our Wing Chun and focus drills. So we're going to be working some pad work, 5 basic combinations, but before we do that, I need you to go over the boxes, click the like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support. Have a great day.
6 punches. A jab is what number? 1. Very nice. Crosses. 2. Okay, we're good. So we got 1, 2. A left hook is? 3. A right hook is? 4. A left uppercut? 5. A right uppercut? 6. Very nice. Please, you got to get used to the numbers. So I'm making this a 2-person exercise. First combo is going to be really simple. 1, 2. So here comes the deal, though. You got to work this out with your pad holder because everybody's got different things, but you got to know each other. Hold the pads. If coach calls a 1, 2, but I just want him to use 1 mitt, again, you guys got to make that understanding. It comes in, so I'm going to be aiming for that 1, 2. Some people like going cross arm. They'll go 1 off the first, 2 off the second. Please work that out. You only need that for the jab cross. All right? Nice and simple. Your pad holder's going to call out 1, 2, or, because you guys have done this, he's either going to call out 1, which is your jab, or 2, or what? 1, 2. Listen to the numbers. Get used to calling the numbers out. Come here. So I'm not going to dance on this. Coach, give him a little sample with Keith. Go.
1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay, you all got that. Listen, I don't have to dance with this. All right, your next combination. I'm not looking for a flicker jab. 1, 1, 2. Jab, jab, cross. Got it? 2 numbers I called out, 1 and 2, but I called a 1, and a 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. All right, coach, would you call it? You guys lead it for a little bit. Go.
1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2.
Good. Jab was?
1.
Crosses?
2.
Tell me what this is.
3.
Ah, look at you guys. All right, man. So now your combo is 1, 2, 3. So he can call out 1. You call out 2. You call out 1, 2, 1, 2, or 3. But the combo is 1, 2, and 3. Please don't just throw your hook like this. Do me a favor, demo hook, because I don't want to pivot on this front foot. Watch what he's doing with his feet. Get your waist and hips in it. You all got to dance a little bit. All right, coach, call it out. 1, 2, 3. Run it with him a little bit.
1, 2, 3. Nice and tight. 1, 2, 3. I'm right here, not here. 1, 2, 3. Nice and tight. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good. You move from here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Good. Left uppercut, right? Good. All right, man. Because it's a little different. You guys doing jab, cross, jab, whatever. Just do 2 to start with, right? So this combo is going to be a 5 and a 2. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. So a 5 and a 2, which is an uppercut and a cross. Coach, Keith, pull it out a little bit. It's on this mic, Josh. It's on this one. Yeah, okay. Good time. A 2 and a 3. I love that combo. It's nice. A 5, a 2, and a 3. All right? Coach Keith, take the center, go to work. 5, 2, 3.
Jab, jab. 5, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3.
Good? You're good.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.